अल्फाज देता है बल्कि सामीईन को नई राहें दिखाता है। आज के इस खास मौके पर लेट अस चेंज पाकिस्तान के खुसूसी मौजू पर तकरीर के लिए मैं दावत देता हूं जवाद अली 7C। आपको बताते चलूं कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट की सतह पर इंग्लिश तकरीर में इन्होंने सेकंड पोजीशन हासिल की है और डिवीजन की सतह पर इन्होंने थर्ड पोजीशन हासिल की है। तो आपके सामने आते हैं जवाद अली।
Ar-Rahman-Ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. Respectable President, honorable teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I have an opportunity to share my opinion with you on the topic, let us change Pakistan. Sir, we all have a shared dream, a Pakistan that is just prosperous and proud. A Pakistan where every citizen has equal opportunities, every child has access to quality education, and every individual can live with dignity. We stand at a critical juncture in our national history. We face numerous challenges from economic instability to social inequality, from corruption to environmental degradation. But I say to you, these challenges are not insurmountable. We, the people of Pakistan, have the power to transform our country. It has changed Pakistan. We must start by recognizing our strength. We are a resilient nation built on the sacrifices of our forefathers. We have vibrant youth, bursting with energy and ideas. We have a rich cultural heritage, a diverse landscape, and unparalleled natural beauty. But we must also acknowledge our weakness. Corruption has seeped into every fabric of our society. Inequality has left millions marginalized and excluded. Our education system is crumbling. Our healthcare system is struggling. And our infrastructure is outdated. It is time for change. Let us change Pakistan by promoting transparency and accountability. We must ensure that those in power are held accountable for their actions. Let us change Pakistan by promoting unity and inclusivity. We must celebrate our diversity, respect our differences, and build bridges between communities. Let us change Pakistan by investing in our youth. We must provide quality education, vocational training, and entrepreneurship opportunities to unlock their potential. Let us change Pakistan by protecting our environment. We must prioritize sustainable development, renewable energy, and conservation. Respectable President, this is not a task for one individual or one government. This is a collective responsibility. We must work together, citizens, civil society, private sector, and government to drive change. We can draw inspiration from our Qadi Alam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who envisioned a Pakistan where every citizen has equal rights, regardless of caste, creed, or community. We can learn from our heroes like Abdul Sattar Eri, who dedicated his whole life to serving humanity. We can build on the successes of our entrepreneurs, innovators, and artists who are redefining Pakistan's narrative. So let us join hands, put aside differences, and work towards a common goal. A Pakistan where every citizen has equal rights, every child has access to quality education, every individual has equal opportunities, and every community is protected and respected. This is Pakistan we deserve. This is Pakistan we must build. Let us change Pakistan starting today. We owe it to ourselves, our children, and our future. The great poet Allama Muhammad Iqbal says, उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती, उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती है जिसके जवानों की खुदी सूरत फौलाद। उस कौम से तारीख के मेमार न मांगो, उस कौम से तारीख के मेमार न मांगो जिस कौम के बच्चे न हो खुददार हुनरमंद। Let me translate it in English. That nation does not need a sword whose youth are very form of steel. And don't ask a nation to be the architect of history, a nation that doesn't have children who are self-sufficient and talented. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much. Wassalam.